Hello students, this is Biobotany class by Mini. So today's our topic is bacteria, general characteristics of bacteria. So bacteria are basically unicellular organism and morphologically least complex microorganism is bacteria. And the next point is bacteria are omnipresent. Omnipresent means it is found, it is present or it is found in all possible habitat, whether it is water, air, objects, anywhere. It is present all over any habitat. And the next point is most of bacteria are heterotrophic. And you know the term of heterotrophic, it means the bacteria is depend on the other organism. It means they obtain their food directly from external agency, or maybe it may be parasitic, saprophytic and symbiotic. And the next point is some bacteria are autotrophic. How autotrophic? Autotrophic are the organism that which obtain their food from themselves and which have their green pigment, which have their own green pigment. It means some bacteria have a pigment which called bacteriochlorophyll, which is a photosynthetic pigment. Because of that, they possess autotrophic mode of nutrition. A photosynthetic pigment, if chlorophyll present, are located within involuted cytoplasmic membrane, which is well organized plastid absent. It means there is no plastid, but there is a pigment, photosynthetic pigment, which make him autotrophic mode of nutrition. The next point is nucleus. Nucleus is absent. As you know, well developed nucleus only present in eukaryotic cell, but in this case bacteria is unicellular organism, so nucleus absent, so nuclear membrane absent, nuclear and nucleolus absent. Nucleolus and nuclear membrane is absent. And the next point is mitochondria. Mitochondria absent, but instead of mitochondria, it have their function carried by mesosome. So who perform the mitochondria's function? Mesosomes. And the next point is endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus are absent. It means the all cell organelles which are present only in eukaryotic cell but absent in unicellular organism or bacteria. Nucleus absent, nuclear membrane absent, nucleolus absent. There is no plasmid, but instead of plasmid there is a bacteriochlorophyll pigment which because of that they possess autotrophic mode of nutrition. And mitochondria absent, but instead of mitochondria what it have? Mesosomes. And endoplasmic reticulum absent, Golgi apparatus absent. So the next point is ribosomes are abundant. It means there is no lack of ribosome. There is so many ribosomes are present in bacterial cell. The next point, bacteria mainly possess binary fission. Binary fission is the most common method of multiplication. It means the multiplication is done by binary fission. The next point is true sexual reproduction is absent, but the recombination of genetic materials it means sexual reproductions occur by the three processes. The first one is conjugation, transformation, and number 3 transduction. One conjugation, number 2 transformation, number 3 but this is possible in the case of recombination of genetic material. The next point is bacterial cells are motile. Bacteria may possess one or more flagellum. It means some bacteria have only, suppose these bacteria, one flagella. Some bacteria have two flagellum. Some bacteria have four flagellum. Some bacteria have which all body cover through the flagella. It means motile bacteria may possess one and more flagellum. The next point is The gram-negative bacteria possess minute hair-like structure which is known as pili, P-I-L-I. And these structures are mainly composed of protein which called fibrillin.